the aerospace industry, certification is everything, yet regulations are constantly changing. Increasing complexity and integration that impact costs and delivery time must all be controlled to achieve faster product certification. To develop new, complex products that meet certification requirements on time and on budget, you need an auditable, traceable chain of data connected to the digital model across the entire product lifecycle. Discover the power of a cloud-based product lifecycle management solution with Siemens Teamcenter X. Product development and manufacturing teams need a place to collaborate, where they can manage all product information to ensure market, compliance, and regulatory targets are met. Teamcenter X helps you resolve product lifecycle challenges and changes in one place by helping you build and manage the digital twin of your products. Architected for the cloud, Teamcenter X is a scalable SaaS PLM solution that simplifies deployment, eliminates the unpredictable costs of managing and updating your software, keeps data connected to the digital model, and turns your software capital expenses into operational expenses. Improve business continuity with the cloud, while delivering easy access for anyone, anywhere, with the highest standards for privacy and data security. Start and grow with SaaS flexibility to test new PLM features and functionalities to find the best fit for your business. Discover the power of cloud-based PLM for aerospace and defense with Siemens Teamcenter X.